Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you a recipe that holds a special place in my heart. If you're looking for a fresh take on the classic apple pie, one that's easy to make and even easier to eat, this recipe is for you. So let's get started. For the batter, you will need 85 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 60 grams of sugar, 40 milliliters of milk, 25 milliliters vegetable oil, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the apple filling, you will need 600 grams of grated apples, 25 grams of butter, 70 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, the zest of 1 lemon, and the zest of 1 orange, and optionally you can add a pinch of nutmeg. Let's start with the apple filling. In a non-stick pan, melt the butter, then add the cinnamon, sugar, nutmeg infusing, the lemon and orange zest, and the grated apple. Cook over medium heat until most of the liquid evaporates. This should take about 20 minutes. Stir constantly to prevent sticking. At this point, your kitchen will fill with all those wonderful flavors and will probably smell like the holidays are in full swing already. Next, let's prepare the batter. In a small bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs together with the sugar until the mixture is foamy and pale. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the milk and vanilla extract and mix until just combined. Add the dry ingredients and mix again, making sure there are no flour pockets left, but also make sure not to overmix. Finally, mix in the oil. The batter should look something like this. Divide the batter into 2 equal parts. I like to use a kitchen scale for precision. Then pour half of the batter into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper, making sure the layer is even. Bake for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. When the cake is ready, pour the apple filling on top and then the remaining cake batter. Bake for another 20 minutes or until the top gets a beautiful golden color. Now comes the hard part, patience. Let the apple pie cool completely before slicing it into bars. I personally couldn't wait, so mine turned out a little messy, but hey, it's all about the taste, right? The full recipe is available on my blog. I have linked it in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking and see you next time!